right, another bowling day. Look at my thumb. My thumb is effed. I gotta tape it up. But first, I gotta put on my shoes. I went to the Bowling Pro shop, opened up my thumb. All right, we got some, what, Max Fast Tape. I'm gonna tape up my thumb here because it's...
Honestly, every time I come to bowling and I see all like rappers on the show, I'm like nerds.
No, but you have to. Look at this.
No, I know, but like nerds.
You're just jealous.
I'm definitely not.
I've never taped my thumb before. I don't even know how this works.
Oh, really?
It's like gum. It's like a Laffy Taffy. Is this right? It has to be right.
You have to put here first.
Oh,
and then
I already did it wrong.
Oh, don't peel it.
It's fine. It's fine.
once you peel, you have to use a new one.
Oh, okay.
Nice tape, though.
Are they?
Like the whole, every time I see y'all like prep for this, I'm like nerds.
We use the cheap ass tape.
How was it?
My axis is still rolling sideways.
Finally. Ah, please. So we're trying to switch our lanes to cross bowl with two lanes, but I guess we'll see how that goes. Oh no! A little high. Move one more. Maybe I missed my mark. I tried to yo-yo release that and I lost a lot of power and missed my mark.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Wait, where did my pin go? I don't remember where it was. On purpose though. We gotta hit high on that. Finally. We take it. 201. Follow through. It's better. 14. Oh yeah, that was a good one. Midnight. Uh-huh. Yeah. Wow. Oh. Lord, my left thigh. Oh, that's good. From the template. Oh, that was a good ball. Wow. Does he want one of my stickers?
Football was right away, but I think the favorite after that stand on the
I'm down. Oh shit. Oh.
Malos.
Ooh, almost.
You don't see a lot of these.
Oh. Oh. Yeah.
It feels weird to roll it like forward.
Yeah. Oh my. There's no one. There's no. Yeah. Oh wow. I guess like when we asked, there's like a line, and so they got to put everyone on first.
Like a square and all. Like, what? It has to be.
I'm freaking dookies. Wow, nice shot. Finally.
Your base?
Yeah. Oh! 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 You got robbed. Oh! Oh, this is some high school music. Wow. I think I moved too far left. I moved one board extra. Oh! It's not even midnight. It's 11:47. But then again, I guess they want us out before midnight. All right. Until next time.
Bye, friends.